In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a floating projects project in Todoist. We'll walk through a simple setup you can use to capture ideas, initiatives, or tasks that don't have a fixed timeline yet. By the end, you'll have a dedicated place to park those possibilities, and you'll know how to add tasks, set priorities, and attach helpful comments so nothing gets lost. First, open Todoist in your browser or app and sign in if you need to. You can start from any screen, but it's easiest if you're on the main view where the left sidebar is visible. That sidebar is where your projects live, and it's where we'll create this new space. Next, look for My Projects in the sidebar. This is your personal list of projects. Click it to expand if it's collapsed, then select Add Project. A small window will open asking for the project name. Type Floating Projects. This name makes it clear that the items inside aren't locked to a specific deadline yet. They're ideas you might pull into your schedule when the timing is right. Confirm to create the project, and it will appear under My Projects. Open your new Floating Projects project. Now you can start adding tasks. Click Add Task, type a clear, action-oriented description, and press Enter to save. Write tasks in a way your future self will instantly understand, like draft outline for Q2 planning instead of something vague. You can add as many tasks as you need. The goal is to capture ideas quickly so they don't slip through the cracks. When a task feels more urgent or important, set its priority. Open the task and choose a priority level using the flag icon. Use a high priority for items you want to review first when you're ready to take action, and lower priorities for items you want to keep visible but not front and center. Priorities help you sort this flexible list so that the most meaningful ideas rise to the top when you scan the project. Finally, add comments to your tasks when you need more context. Open a task, click the comment icon, and write notes, decisions, or links that explain what the idea is about. Comments are perfect for capturing quick research, reminders to yourself, or the reasoning behind a task so you don't have to figure it out later. And that's it. You've gone to Todoist, opened My Projects, clicked Add Project, named it Floating Projects, and learned how to add tasks, set priorities, and use comments. This simple setup keeps your ideas organized and ready for action whenever you're ready to schedule them.